Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix an error occurred while starting Roblox Studio. This one super easy fix, and it will take you less than a minute to do so. Close the error, go to your computer here, and then go to where you're basically installed your Roblox. So for me is disk C, program files x86, and then locate your Roblox folder here, and then go to versions here, again this folder, and as you can see here it should be Roblox Studio. And what you need to do here is to press on Roblox Studio launcher beta here. As you can see here, we need to wait for a few seconds, press yes, as you can see here, and now Roblox Studio is working. So you can see here, it's running, launching, and now it's working. So that's pretty much it what I want to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.